Okay, so this amp is now adding up to more than the battery going into it. 24.5. Get the off voltage from the off amps, and the off amps are, as it takes a while for it to go down. The 13, yeah, it takes a while because there's a bit of negative resistance in the caps that it has to get rid of first. But it slows down to about 8. Keep going. Dad. Anyway, so I'm about to go to the shop. So I'm just gonna get 5 batteries. I'm gonna see if I can get it to work without the fan in. That puts it all on one speaker, but it requires to be oscillated because it works sort of like a voltage doubler. Anyways, that's off. There's 8, on's 24, and there's 10 going into it, so we're up a fair bit on 10.